Hi, this is Cams with another lesson from Tony's Acoustic Challenge, which you'll find at tonypolicastro.com. This is a lesson that shows you some moving bass lines to spice up your chord progressions, and it's called Leap, and the net will appear. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Why not join me on Instagram with the hashtag Tony's Acoustic Challenge? Thanks for watching.